Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to smoothen a picture in Adobe Photoshop mobile app. But first, before I get into that, I want to say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, firstly, we're gonna click on this blue button called Photo Editor at the top. Here we have to choose a photo for us to edit. I'm gonna choose this random one. Here we have these buttons at the bottom. We're gonna choose smooth, and here you can choose the tool. It can be a brush, it can be for opacity or feather. I'm gonna just do it with brush. I can smoothen it out. As you can see, it smoothens it out. I can really smoothen it out. So yeah, you can play with it, with the opacity, with the feather. They're all different things you can play with. Yeah, so you have a full customizable smoothening tool here. Okay guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.